Tired of your CVS Health Scale giving you more questions than answers? First things first, flip your scale over and locate the battery compartment, usually on the bottom. Open it up and insert the correct type of batteries. Most scales use AA or AAA batteries, but double check your manual to be sure. Make sure you align the positive and negative ends correctly. Now, look for the unit button. It's usually located on the back or bottom of the scale, might be labeled unit, mode, or something similar. Press this button to toggle between pounds pound and kilograms kilogram until you see your preferred unit displayed on the screen. If your scale has user profiles, this is where it gets a little more advanced. Some scales allow you to store your weight data. Look for a set, user, or similar button. Press and hold it to enter the user profile setup. The display will likely show something like P1 or user 1. Refer to your instruction manual. At this point, it will guide you through setting up user profiles. If your scale has this feature, you may need to enter your age, height, or other information, depending on the model. Finally, make sure your scale is placed on a hard, flat surface for accurate readings. Avoid carpets or uneven floors. Step onto the scale and stand still until your weight is displayed. Wait for the reading to stabilize and lock in, and that's it. You've successfully programmed your CVS Health Scale. Now you're ready to track your progress and achieve your health goals. Remember to consult your scale's manual for detailed instructions specific to your model.